This is the ABM066 from Cidoo. It has a split Alice layout with a screen and knob and is a typically feature-packed keyboard from Cidoo, available fully assembled for $90 and as a barebone for just $60. It looks like only the white version is available fully assembled, with white and black available as barebones. The fully assembled version has no build options and comes with Cidoo silent blue linear switches, plate mount stabilizers, and these fun MDA profile keycaps. In terms of features, it has south-facing perky RGB with several effects, this little screen on the right-hand side onto which you can set a custom wallpaper. It has Trimode Connect for wireless or wired connectivity, and is QMK and VIA compatible, allowing you to customize the layout. I'm not taking this one apart as it's clipped together, but under the hood is a gasket mount structure with a 1.2mm flex cut PCB, pour-on case and plate foams, a switch sheet, and a flex cut polycarbonate plate. The stabilizers are lightly factory lubed but had some rattle out the box, so I did a syringe lube job just to tidy them up a bit. The Cidoo silent blue switches are linear switches with a pretty decent factory lube job. You can see the dampening legs top and bottom of the stems for silencing the switches. This is my first go on an Alice layout keyboard, so let's see what the typing experience is like. I very much like typing on this one. I'm usually not a fan of silent switches and would never use them in a custom build, but on a budget build like this where you'll likely keep all the dampening in there anyways, I don't mind them at all. There is some spring ping from the Cidoo switches, which is a shame because it creates some work on a board which otherwise needs very little doing to it. That said, donut dipping the springs only won't take much more than half an hour. In terms of the feel, it's a very nice soft typing experience, which is to be expected due to the mount, the 1.2mm flex cut PCB, and the flex cut polycarbonate plate. It's surprising how quickly you get used to the Alice layout from a typing comfort and speed perspective, though I wouldn't want to be swapping back and forth often. I can't comment on this layout reducing fatigue and such, as I don't suffer fatigue from normal layouts, and I don't intend to use an Alice layout for long enough to see if it's better or worse long term. I do a lot of typing for work, swapping boards often, and for me, adapting between Alice and normal layouts seems unnecessary. It is a feature-packed and fun little board, this one though. Great value for money, as is always the case with Cidoo boards. While you don't have any options on the $90 fully assembled board in terms of the switches and keycaps, they do also have a $60 barebone. So you can opt for the simplicity of the fully assembled board, paying only an extra $30 for the switches and keycaps compared to the barebone, or you can just pick up the $60 barebone and build it out as you wish. It's a very good price either way. And that's it. I hope you found this useful. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.